What's up, you guys? Just trying to find a vehicle to work on during the Christmas holidays. Found this one in particular. It's a 1968 Mercury Cougar. It's the base model. This particular car has been sitting there for a while. For the most part, it looks like it's in great condition. There's a few spots that need to be worked on, of course. One of which that I saw is closest to the door there. Because they tried to prior open the door, got damaged somehow. But as you can see, it's complete. Currently has the 3-speed automatic. You do have to shift it yourself. The owner indicated that at one point they replaced the original engine with a 5.0 coming from a 1989 Mustang GT. They did rewire everything using the same computer. They added the MSD ignition and a few other things. The intake, of course, coming from the wheel well. That's it, you guys. I'll be taking home with me this vehicle. Just let me know what things I should do to it first or any suggestions. Alright, thanks for watching.